What's the difference between hand soap and hand sanitizer, and which is better for getting rid of the germs or getting the germs off your hands? Disclaimer, I'm not a professional, so don't take what I say to heart. So here's a quick little lesson. Soap washes the germs off your hands. It doesn't kill the germs, but it washes them off. And this is better because it ensures all the germs leave your hands. Whereas hand sanitizer, it kills most of the germs on your hands, but it doesn't kill all the germs. So when you use hand sanitizer, there are still some germs left on your hands. With that said, let's look into my little experiment and what I did. Basically, I didn't wash my hands for some time, and I looked under a microscope to see just how dirty they had gotten. And to my surprise, they were actually pretty dirty. So of course, I went to the sink and I washed my hands with soap. Hands and soap. 30-second wash is always best, guys. Sing happy birthday twice. After that, I checked out my skin under the microscope again, and it was so clean. And then I let my hands get dirty again. I know, we don't really need to see how dirty they were again, because it was kind of like before. Little specks of dirt here and there, unknown to the naked eye. But this time I used hand sanitizer and just put some on, rubbed it around, let it dry, and then I looked under a microscope again. I gotta say, it got some stuff off, but it didn't leave my hands like super clean like the hand soap did, so it was okay. Then I did another experiment where I took some dust and I mixed it with blue dye because the hand sanitizer is clear, so you couldn't really see it under the microscope. And I basically mixed in this hand sanitizer with all this dust. It was really gross. But I was a little disappointed to see that the little beads that are meant for moisturizing, they didn't actually like come apart in the hand sanitizer when I mixed it in. It was interesting though to see how the hand sanitizer, like the dirt and stuff, was floating to the top. That was kind of cool. Then I basically did the same thing but with hand soap, and I also added blue food dye so that we could see it better. And I was really interested to find that it kind of took the dust and pulled it apart, because as the soap like expanded, it pulled things out with it, which I guess is kind of what it does on your hands when it like suds up and spreads out. Then, because hand soap you generally rinse out and then dry your hands, I did the same with the dust because I'm apparently weird. And there was actually bits of white in it. It was kind of weird. Dust, I don't think you could ever make clean, but if you wanted to see some cleaner dust, that's about as clean as it got. So yeah, thanks for watching this really weird video, and subscribe because I don't know, because you can. By the way, guys, wash your hands.